Welcome to AI and Beyond. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful and 100% free AI tools you can start using right now to earn money online, whether you're a student, freelancer, or just exploring side hustles. Let's jump right in. Tool 1. ChatGPT. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI, your all-in-one writing assistant. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, create product descriptions, draft emails for clients. Many freelancers offer these services on Fiverr and Upwork, using ChatGPT to save time and boost productivity. Tool 2. Pictory.ai. Next is Pictory.ai, a game changer if you want to create videos without showing your face. Just paste your script, choose visuals, and boom, it makes a video for you. People are building entire YouTube channels using Pictory to generate faceless, automated content. Try it for explainer or quote videos. Tool 3. Canva. Third, Canva. Not just for design anymore. It now includes AI features like text-to-image, magic write, and video editing. You can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, ebooks, and sell designs on Etsy or Gumroad. Even better, Canva's drag-and-drop tools make it super beginner-friendly. Tool 4. Notion AI. Up next, Notion AI. Think of it as your second brain. Use it for writing resumes, planning content calendars, building digital products. Then sell those Notion templates on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. And yes, people actually buy them. Tool 5. Leonardo.ai. Finally, check out Leonardo.ai, one of the most powerful AI image generators. Artists and marketers use it to create product mock-ups, book covers, wallpapers. You can generate high-quality AI art and sell it on Redbubble, Teespring, or your own portfolio. All these tools are free to start, and most don't require any tech skills. So whether you're building a side hustle or just curious, these AI tools can give you a huge head start. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart tech and money content, only on AI and Beyond.